An exciting project today. I'm getting this installed into the car and it will link to from the car battery to the Caravan battery and charge up the Caravan battery. Does it matter which way?
Yeah, it goes down one and then gets censored.
Yeah.
To switch and go down the other one. And somewhere down here there's a hole.
That's where the ground's earth goes. So I turn this on, and when it reaches a certain voltage, it sends the power from this battery through this wire to the Caravan battery. So on the Caravan side, it's coming up from underneath into the front cabinet area, and we've drilled a hole and the wire's coming in here and it will be connected to these batteries. It's late morning. Oh, it's just gone up 2 whole points. Getting a little bit of power now, but usually I'm about 100% by now. Well, I got that connection from the car battery to the Caravan battery specifically for days like this, when there's not really enough sun to kind of charge my battery through the solar panel. So I don't actually know. It starts working when the car battery gets to a certain voltage. So I might just take the car for a drive and then park it up and attach it to the Caravan. This is really designed for when you're driving, but another option is just to plug it in when the Caravan's stationary and leave the car running. So that's what I'm going to try today. Not really sure if it's working. It's certainly putting in, I don't know, it seems to fluctuate between 0 and 0.4 amps that it's bringing in. Right now it's just sitting on 0. Not much really. Is it even working? Although you could see it's gone up to 13.3 volts there, but it's still saying it's only at 58%. Just had a chat with my mechanic guy and he said look at the voltage rather than the percentage. And the voltage did seem to increase. It was at like 12.8 and now it's 13 point... Pretty sure it was like 13.4 after a while, so maybe it is working. He's going to do another check in the next couple of days just to check a switch that it's actually turning on when it says it's on. A colder start this morning, winter's starting, and my battery's really low. It's actually dropped to 47%. Yesterday, yeah, it was overcast a lot yesterday and I was using my laptop a lot, but it's sunny today so it should go back up to 100%. I'm just quickly eating breakfast in front of the heater and then I'm off to work, where it'll hopefully be slightly warmer than in the Caravan. Okay, that's pure ice. Is it not going? Why is it not going? It's going to be a little slower to get started today, I think. Find that bucket and throw some water on it maybe. I can drive. What a start. And you can hear the air now, it's finally working. Right, off to work. So I'm just getting the caravan ready to move. I've actually had the laziest start. I had a really bad sleep last night, woke up freezing, and then I just couldn't get back to sleep. So it's about 2:30. I'll probably be leaving around 3. Definitely past the normal checkout time, but they're so relaxed here, so it's okay. And I'm not going far, just down the road to another parkover property, and it's closer to town because I'm going to a housewarming party tonight, and my experience with taxis in the area has not been good. So if I at least have the option of walking home, that'll make the night more enjoyable. I had a chat with a guy in a fifth wheeler, I think, and yeah, it's an interesting place. You get a little bit more of the evening sun than at the orchard, just because there's no giant hedge right along the border. So I'm enjoying the sunset, just hitting the hills now. Right, I'm off to brave the dark. It's about a 20-minute walk there. No shower at this campground, so I'm going to give this caravan shower a go. The hot water actually turned on this morning, so that's stage 1. I'm going to figure out what I like and don't like about the shower and start potentially changing it. So again, it's like I can only do a super quick shower. I've heard with caravan showers you're supposed to just wet yourself, turn off the shower, soap yourself, and then rinse it off. So I just basically wet myself, and then the shower would start to splutter and it started getting cold. So turned it off, waited a little bit, turned it on, still spluttered, still lukewarm. I don't know. The drain seems okay at the moment. Just, I don't know. It's okay for a quick rinse, but I don't know if I could just live off the shower. Took a few goes this morning to get that to stay on green. It kept flicking to red. I do wonder if I need to service or change something with the hot water, just because it is a little temperamental. Although I suppose I'm learning that everything on gas with this caravan is a little temperamental. I'm thinking now, yesterday when the shower went cold, I'm wondering if the gas hot water just turned off. So I'm gonna see if the shower's better today, if it's hotter for longer. That was another super quick shower. Yeah, it just, maybe after half a minute maybe, it starts, the heat just disappears out of the water and it starts spluttering a bit. So maybe the caravan just can't handle that amount of hot water, or even just water going out all at once. Yeah, I don't know how I would actually wash my hair. Maybe jugs of hot water sitting nearby to douse my hair. I bet my audio was destroyed by the wind. Can't wait for that microphone, external microphone. Yeah, what I was saying was, when I moved the caravan yesterday, I had a lot of trouble getting the coupling lever down. Just, I suppose I've got new friction pads in there. But yeah, they were just very, I don't know, the lever just would not go down. So I ended up talking to my neighbour, and he had a bit more strength than me and managed to get it down. And after that first lock, it was easier. You can see I struggled a bit still, but at least I can get it on. But today I am driving to Waikato. I'm staying at a relative's tonight, so we'll see. Apparently there's room for a caravan, but I don't know. We'll find out when I turn up. And to my patrons, Alan, Pauline, Dennis, Luther, David, Matthew and Laurie, and all my other Patreons, I really appreciate your help.